Maskipap number 2. And I want to cook it with some broccoli. So these are the ingredients: 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1/4 of onion chopped. Use spicy chili, 1 tablespoon of this. Let's see what it says here. Chili oil with black beans, also 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons. Salt, little bit salt if it needed, and pepper. So let's get started. And I've been thinking that I wanted to eat something healthy. I wanted to do some ketogenic diet, but I think I'm just gonna do semi-ketogenic. So I come up with this recipe. This is also what we call in the barrio Maskipap, and this time it's gonna be a Maskipap with roast beef. Bala mo naman social yang ini. Maskipap ya, pero yung bulog na social ne. Hakabalen. So you just slice it like this, bite size. Let's start cooking. I already put virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons here. Next is gonna be garlic. Next is onion. Okay, bes. Kung meron din tayong alung kutsarang virgin olive oil, bawang, sibuyas, dinan tayong spicy chili. Paborito ko yun. Okay, we're gonna add this much, 1 tablespoon of that. And then we also gonna add chili oil, 1 tablespoon. So, meto nga kutsara mo kanini, puwitang nan din meto nga kutsara. Kaya ba't igogo tayo? After 1 minute, we're going to add this leftover meat. The beef is cooking for like 3 minutes already. So, aluneg minutong pigugogo tamo ining karne. So, ngini, we're gonna add the broccoli. Yabe namin broccoli. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Ngayon bilang taneng adong kutsarang soy sauce. Eh naman malatin ng soy sauce sa inyo. This soy sauce is light, so it's not gonna be salty. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of water. Okay, right there. Then we'll add pepper. Maybe 1/8 teaspoon. Okay. let's cover for maybe 2-3 minutes. So, takpan tayong mga 3 minuto. Kaya ba check tayo? Okay, it's time to check. Let's try it if we need some more salt. Okay, best. Takpan tayo nung gusto na yung asin. So, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Maybe, for now, 2 tablespoons. And then we'll try it and see what it tastes like. Okay, we cook it another 2 minutes. Let's check it. It's done. So it's the broccoli. Turn it off. It's time to taste Maskipap number 2. Let's try it. Just a little bit. I'm taking this for my lunch tomorrow. It's good. It's really good. Kulang na mong nasi. Pero, yung bisa mga nasi kasi mag-diet ko ngayon. Mag-gain ko 10 pounds. Kaya holiday ini dakalasuman, dakalakalame, boboto, yung nanon-nanon pengang ko. So, yak pa mga nasi. Like I was saying, guys, I'm just gonna eat it like this. I'm not gonna be eating no rice. Okay? Ang yaman. It's really good, guys. Very good. Okay. We'll finish it here. Until next time. Hope you like it.